Yeah, man. All right, so Nishida's Gymnastics started back in 2008 with 15 students, and they had a huge dream. 10 years later, they're right here. Coach Jerome Matthews over there. Gymnasts Alexia Renault, she's right there. Adana Johnston is beside me, and young Jelani Henry in the middle. There you go. Good morning, everyone. Coach, you guys just came from Florida, I think?
Right, we were at the recent Gasparilla Classic. It was held in, where was it again? It was Tampa, Florida.
Yeah.
Actually, it was their 30th anniversary. It was the biggest meet, so we had a lot of huge competition going on.
Yeah.
So a little intimidating, but the gymnasts represented well.
And how they did, you said represented well. What does well mean?
Well, in case of the competitions, we have different categories for the different events. For the girls, we had girls teams from level 2 up to level 8. In competitive gymnastics in this region, we follow what's called the USAG competitive program. It's this region's, what you might call high school, so to speak, program that carries them up to pre-Olympic levels. And we have competition going from level 2 up to level 8.
I think Adana and Alexia are part of the national program, but this wasn't a national team event. This was
this wasn't the national team's event. This is our annual clubs meet.
Okay.
They actually have competition representing the national team for Jamaica coming in next week. That's going to be in Canada.
And you also help with the national program. So you're a certified gymnastics coach?
Yes, I'm a certified gymnastics coach. So about 3 years ago, the National Association got together with the Global Organization for Gymnastics that governs gymnastics in the Olympics. They're called the Fédération Internationale de Gymnastique, International Federation of Gymnastics, or FIG.
Okay.
They came to Jamaica and did a week-long, what they call coaches clinic.
Yeah.
Basically like a crash course in the fundamentals of gymnastics for training athletes. That would be over a 10-year period for getting them ready for high-level competition.
Okay. It's kind of a fun question, but can you do what you ask them to do?
In many ways, yes. In other ways, no.
No.
So, for Lani's case, yeah, because I'm a male, but the girls are like, go figure it out.
Adana, how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
And how long you been doing this?
5 years.
How did you get started and why did you want to do it?
At school.
What school is this?
Creative Kids Learning Academy.
Okay.
And at school, they did a gymnastics program, and then I started in it.
Okay.
And I thought it was very fun.
Oh, great. Do you do everything, or do you specialize in I don't know, floor or whatever else you're supposed to do? Do you do everything, or you specialize?
I do everything.
Everything? Could you show me something now? All right, show me something. Coach will tell you what to do, then I'll have a chat with Jelani. What is she going to do, Coach?
Okay, well, we do have a prepared demonstration for you guys.
Okay, so let me just talk to everyone. Young Jelani, how old are you, sir?
I am 8 years old.
8 years old. What school do you go to, sir?
St. Hugh's Preparatory
St. Hugh's
School.
Prep. And how long you been doing this?
3 years.
3 years? Why did you want to do it?
I saw people doing flips and I want to do it.
You saw people doing flips? Oh, no, you saw me doing it, no?
Nope.
No? So you don't think I can do it?
Nope.
Well, Jelani, man. You're going to do a flip this morning for me, right? Right? Okay. Alexia, with trophies and medals, how old are you?
I'm 14.
And what school do you go to?
I'm homeschooled.
You're homeschooled?
Yeah.
How did you get involved in this?
In prep school, which is St. Peter and Paul Preparatory School, Nishida started doing a camp, kind of, and then I just wanted to do some gymnastics, and I liked it.
Okay. Do you see yourself in the Olympics one of these days?
Yeah, 2024.
2024. What about you? Olympics soon? About 40-something thousand?
Yes.
Yes? What about you?
2024.
2024. All right, Coach, let me see the routine that you guys could put the trophy down, and I'll hang on to the medals for you, so you don't have to put that on the floor. Okay. Yes, give me your medals there.
Just hang by the trophies.
Okay, and the coach will... Let's go, Coach. They're from... I'll get this for you.
Take it off.
Oh, you're not doing the demo. So you could hold these for me then. Have them? There you go. All right, so that's young Jelani over there. It's Jelani Harvey and Adana Johnson. Let's go, guys. Have some time here, Coach. So we have to move kind of quickly. Let's go.
There we go.
Hey. That's brilliant. Jelani, I can do that. You want me to show you? I go out for practice. You want me to show? Yes, go there. I'm going to take off everything and I can, but I can do those things. Fantastic. Congrats. How hard do you train? Let's go back in the light here so everyone could see us. Come on. How often and how hard do you train for all of this?
Train 4 hours a day, 5 days a week.
4 hours a day. And you do basically stuff like that. Was that easy for you, or was that one of the tougher routines?
It was okay.
It was okay. What about you, Jalan? How often you train? How long you train for?
4 hours.
Every day?
No.
5 days?
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Okay, and you guys seem to enjoy this. So you probably train a little harder, or no?
Well,
Let's say your mic, so I don't need to show
I do 4 hours, 5 days a week, but I also do strength training.
Oh, you do strength training? You lift weights?
Yeah.
Oh, that must be tough. Coach, how many you have involved in your team overall?
Okay, presently, well, we have 4 locations across the island now. 2 in Kingston, 1 in Mandeville, 1 in Montego Bay. They have, in our gym, roughly about, let's say, 35 gymnasts. Majority are females, so about 28, possibly 29,
okay.
And about 4 active boys.
Okay, do you see the day when we will, be able to compete at the highest level here?
Actually, yes, because we've actually had one representative from last year's Rio's Olympics, if you remember, Miss Tony Ann Williams.
Yeah.
She wasn't trained homegrown, but she was sourced for our national squad. But we are definitely training with next generation here now.
All right. Outside of this, what do you want to do when you turn a big man, outside of what you're doing now?
Football.
Football? Jelani, you're the greatest man in the whole world. What position you play?
Striker.
You're a striker? Jelani, you're going to end up at Barcelona. What about you?
Not sure yet.
Not sure yet. All right. What's your favorite subject?
Math.
Math? Ooh, yours?
Integrated studies.
Integrated studies. Ah, boy, there you go. They're from Nishida's Gymnastics, and that's the coach, Jerome Matthews, and gymnasts, Alexia Renault, Adana Johnson over there, and young striker, Jelani Harvey, who will be as good as Messi pretty soon. Still ahead, Nutraganics and the benefits of aloe, plus something to smile about. Soon come. Stay with us, please.